Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. Truth Spy. This app lets you spy on a target phone without informing its user that you can see what they're doing. TruthSpy's users have the option to listen to phone calls, read text messages, record calls from the target phone, track their GPS location and access their photo gallery.
Take our lead.
It is not possible to install spy apps remotely on Android mobile devices. You must have physical access to the target Android devices. Even though the iPhone has incredibly powerful encryption, spyware can be installed on the target phone remotely because all data is accessed through the user's iCloud account.
Let's help you make your mark.
Regardless of whether you use an Android or an iPhone, it is possible for someone to install spyware onto your phone that will secretly report on your activity. It's even possible for them to monitor your cell phone's activity without ever even touching it.
Take our lead.
Let me start by answering the very first question on the minds of many people. Can I install a spy app software on a cell phone remotely without physical access? The simple answer is yes, you can. A few spy apps allow users to install them on both Android phones and iPhone remotely, such as Telenitrix.
Take our lead.
Spyin. Known as a top-rated spy app, Spyin works on both Android and iOS devices. It supports stealth monitoring, making it easier for you to catch a betraying spouse. It can track phone calls, messages, and social media activities.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mobile phone spying apps require physical installation. You need to open the installation link sent by the service provider in your target device. The truth is, no spyware can be installed remotely. You need to set up the spyware app in your target phone by physically accessing the device.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you're looking for details on how to install mSpy remotely on a target device, it's extremely easy. Start by purchasing a subscription, then check your email for your mSpy account details, plus information for installing on mSpy on your target's Android or iPhone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.